Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT on your PC or laptop. So go to your search option, search it to Microsoft, and you just open this. Go to search option, search it to OpenAI, and click on this link, and you get this option. Scroll down and you get more. Look at the right side, tap onto three dot and click on to apps and install. Click on install and press on yes. Okay, now successfully install ChatGPT. So now I'm use this. Open, write something, press on enter, and now I'm get finally result. So that's it. That's how you can do it.